Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another wig review for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys how I installed this hair and what I did to get it this way, you guys. So the company that sent me out this unit is VSHOW hair. Thanks you guys for sending me out another unit. So you guys, the texture that I'm wearing, you guys, is straight, and the length that I have in my head is 18 inches, and the cap size is medium, okay, which is really like a large to me because it's really big hip friendly. So that's a great thing about that. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into my thoughts about this hair, you guys. So as you can see, this hair is bone straight, and I must say this is straight out the box. I didn't flat iron this hair at all. The only thing that I did was go in with my curler, you guys, just to put out some of the bulkiness that was right here and right there. But this hair laid super flat. I don't know if you guys can see that. It lays so good. I did go in with my foundation. I put some on my the wig, and I also put some on my stocking cap, and I just went in and put a little bit in the parting as well. I used this coconut oil to put all over my hair. So that's pretty much all that I've done with this hair. I have not got any tangling, you guys. As you can see, this hair, like I said, is bone straight. I haven't got any tangling, shedding. I haven't got any of that, you guys, which is a plus, okay? The one thing that I do not like about this hair is that, I don't like that part about this hair, but I do like everything else about this unit. I just don't like that it's thin. Maybe if you put some curls in it, you can't really tell. But with it bone straight, you can tell that it's, you know, thin hair. But other than that, I actually like this hair. 18 inches. It's pretty lengthy. Goes to on my side, almost to my side. So that's really good. I like the fact that, like I said, I didn't get any shedding or tangling as well. Yeah, that's all that I really have to say about this hair. It does come with clips, so you get adjustable scraps, you get clips, let's see, 3, 4, you get 4 clips, 2 in the front, 1 in the middle, and 1 in the back as well, okay, you guys. And you also get a little bit of lace in the back too. So yeah, that's all that, like I said, I have to say about this hair. I appreciate you, VSHOW hair, for sending me out this unit. I'll definitely have all their information linked in my description box below, so you guys can be sure to check them out. Make sure you guys comment below, let me know your thoughts on this unit, you guys. It's a really pretty unit. Yeah, make sure you guys share with your family and friends, social media friends, and anybody that cares, okay, you guys, because remember, sharing is caring. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.